The bird flu? Yeah, they tend to do that.
You're telling me a shrimp fried this rice?
What's upstairs?
They can't talk!
A parchment complex? I find it quite simple. Road work ahead? Yeah. I sure hope it does.
You're telling me a ginger breads this man? Word-fired, Peter! How's Peter gonna get a job now?
Based? Based on what?